Hey, come here and help me.
Nah, it's not gonna work anyway. You never know when you're going to find yourself in a survival situation. Thank God I was wearing head protection. In any survival situation, the first thing you want to do is an inventory. In this case, I have a knife, a piece of chalk, a harmonica, and I always have my Buckley Firestrap with me. The Buckley Firestrap, I never leave home without it. I always know that if I ever need to start a fire, I'll have it right there. So I learned to survive off the land. I caught fish, and I got to cook it too. Days turned into weeks. And frankly, I started to go a little crazy. I finally got this wretched bucket off my head, and I realized I need a haircut. Come take a look at our website, buckleyfirestraps.com. Thanks for looking, and always be prepared.